The DPO Uruwan Divisional Police Headquarters, SP Felix Omache Ekpo Odom, fated suspect in custody to celebrate Christmas. Ekpo Odom gave the suspect food and drinks and sat with them while they ate. The DPO said his action isn't to encourage crime, but to celebrate the birth of Christ with suspects while they wait for their cases to be processed. Headquarters of the Enugu State Broadcasting Service has been gutted by fire on Tuesday morning. According to report, the station caught fire a few moments after it commenced morning operation at about 5:30 a.m. today. The cause of the fire and damages caused by the incident is yet to be ascertained as at the time when this report was given.